Well, good evening, folks. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A nice steady autumn southeasterly weather pattern should kick in pretty soon. And for us, that means very agreeable temperatures for the week ahead. Not too hot, not too cold, not always sunny, but only brief showers at best. Autumn's not typically a season where you see much in the way of extreme temperatures, and today fits that description perfectly. Tops and bottoms mostly above average, but not by much. On the satellite loop, the most notable thing, of course, is Tropical Cyclone Harold, which is now intensified through the weekend to Category 5 and bearing down on Vanuatu, causing very serious problems. No doubt you'll hear about those in the national news. But closer to home, it's been pretty quiet, as you can see. The usual seasonal showers on the far north tropical coast, but there's just a few little speckles of those, and the rest of the state looks basically dry. On today's chart now, you got, there's a cyclone, of course, way out. As we said last week, it was never going to affect Queensland. No one really thought it would become such a big system so far out to sea, though. Now, around here, you can see the new surge of southeasterly winds is coming behind this cold front, and once it pushes through, the air mass will be generally coming from the south, which will make it a little bit cooler. On tomorrow's chart, you can see that next high kicks in, pushes the southeast, 15 to 25 knots most waters along the east coast. Then on the outlook chart, the same thing again. There will be a few showers, but they'll be mostly near the eastern seaboard. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters. Southeast winds are steady 50 to 20 knots, not just tomorrow, but for the next 3 days, with maximum seas up to 2 metres. Tomorrow's almost full moon, so the tides are getting really big. A very sizable morning high tide first up after daybreak, followed by a strong run out to the afternoon low tide. Capricornia District forecast, a fine and sunny day, no showers. Gladstone, 30 degrees, same for Rocky. Biloela, also 30, and for Yeppoon, a bit cooler, 27. Central Highlands and Coalfields, again, fine and sunny, with Emerald, a fairly big range of 16 to 31 degrees, cooling down at night. Claremont, 32, Moranbah, 31. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, typical autumn southeasterly weather should last the week out, which means warm, breezy days, mild nights, occasional cloudy periods, but not much in the way of rain. And that's all the weather for tonight, my friends. Thanks again for all those amazing photos you've been sending me. Keep them coming, and the questions too. AskLivio@7.com.au is the correct email address. Meantime, enjoy the best of my favourite season, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Thanks for your company, folks. Catch you tomorrow.
And just a reminder, if you missed anything, you can see a replay of our news and also the National Bulletin from 6:30 on 7:2. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.